I'm Jonathan from Rupert Neve Designs, and I'm here today to show you how to set up and use your new 543-500 series VCA compressor. Remember that all 500 series modules require a separate rack and power supply, and today we're using the Rupert Neve Designs R6. You will need some cables. Depending on the rack you're using and the other outboard gear, these will either be DB25s, XLRs, or 1/4-inch TRS. For this example, we're going to use XLRs. So you're going to want to take your source and hook it up to the XLR input on the back of your rack and take a separate XLR cable and hook that up to either an interface, a mixer, or maybe another piece of rack gear. Remember to select the right slot and the right input and output on the back of your rack. And now it's time for some sound. First off, engage the compressor. You'll see the blue LED come on. For initial settings, have the threshold all the way up, have the ratio on either 2/1 or 4/1, have the attack around 50 milliseconds, and have the release around 200 milliseconds. Again, these are just starting points. You want to make sure that you're driving in somewhere around 10 to 15 dB on the input LED meter. Experiment with the feedback and feed forward switch. In general, the feed forward position will be more modern sounding, and the feedback position will be more vintage or classic. For material like bass and vocals, use the RMS position. For material with more transients, try the peak position, say for example, drums or percussion. Start with the red makeup gain knob in about the 0 dB position. As you use more compression, you may need to make up more gain or turn it down so you're sending the right level to the next piece of gear in your chain or to your interface. If you want the low frequencies to not dominate or affect your compression as much, engage the sidechain high-pass filter. This doesn't cut the lows from your signal, it just makes sure that the low frequencies don't trigger as much compression. And now it's time to record with your new 543 VCA compressor. If you have more questions or you want to find out about some of the other cool gear we make, please go to rupertneve.com.